Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Rescoli by Carlo. A lot of you have shown an interest in what colors do we have on sale and which colors you can use on your furniture. Basically, we decided to divide this program into three. And today we're starting by showing you with the Alfresco colors. So basically all the colors available right now, which you can use both inside and outside. So basically all these colors you can use anywhere you want. Remember that the Alfresco is self-priming, self-sealing, self-leveling. It doesn't have any chemicals added to it. It's environmental friendly, it's pet friendly, and also child friendly. And it is certified. So we know for sure that all the paint that you're using is certified by international authorities. So let's start by showing you these colors, and well, you can decide which colors you want to use for your furniture. Apple of my eye. Blackjack. City Slicker. Cool beans. Green Dream. Dazzle Me. Duckling. Dusky Blush. Greyhound. Kiss Me Slowly. Old Blue Eyes. Parma Violet. Smudge. Steel Teal. Stormy. Swanky Pants. Victory Lane. Wise Old Sage. So, as you have just seen, these are the current Alfresco colors. periodically new colors come out, which are limited edition colors, and that would be also part of the colors, obviously, that we would be having for sale. So also I would like to point out that the images might not be reflecting exactly the color as it is, because obviously of the lighting of our little studio, and it might just make a little bit of difference. So let's go again with the colors, but this time I'm going to sort them out. So we have the black, we have the smudge, so basically, for example, let's take these 5 colors in here. Well, the darkest one is the black, this one. And these are 4 different kinds of gray. The lightest one is the swanky pants, and the darkest one is smudge. So you can adapt which gray you would want in your house. This is the latest addition of our grays, which is a beautiful charcoal gray. And there's this is Greyhound, this is City Slicker, and this is Swanky Pants. And obviously the black one here is Blackjack. Now we'll go with the blues. We go from the lightest to the darkest. A little bit of variations in the blues we have. So here they are. So this one, the brightest dark blue, is Kiss Me Slowly. Then we have this one, which is a beautiful teal color. It's called Steel Teal, and as you can see with the lighting, it's a little bit of a shinier finish than the other Alfresco colors. Then we have the famous Old Blue Eyes. And then here we have, this is the Stormy, the latest addition, which is a bit of a grayish light blue color. It's a beautiful color. And we have Duckling. This is the one we used in the Maltese video where we were painting our kitchen cabinets. And here we have this very light, beautiful color, which is called Parma Violet. Now, a bit of greens. So we have the Apple of My Eye. We have the Victory Lane. And we have the Wise Old Sage. Now we have this, which is Cool Beans, which is a bit of a light taupe color. It's a more of a beigey color, but it's very nice. Then we have the Dazzle Me, which is a very bright white. It's the brightest white you could have on your furniture. Then we have the Cream Dream. So let's make the difference on these. This way you can see that Cream Dream is a typical cream. It's not white, as compared to Dazzle Me, which is a brilliant white. And then we have the Dusky Blush. This is a an old pink, which is very popular in cities across Europe, especially Paris and Prague. So these were and are all the colors we have. For the Alfresco range, all these colors you can use for your indoor furniture, your outdoor furniture. It can be used on wood, PVC, aluminium, metal, and whatever you have. So basically, these are our colors, and hope that this video has helped you a little bit in understanding what these colors are. And remember, you don't have to prime before and you don't need to seal afterwards. Just make sure that you keep with the curing time and don't use the Alfresco in the sun, especially nowadays, especially in Maltese Islands. The sun is getting a little bit hotter, and so the paint wouldn't let you work with it well because it starts drying like within a couple of seconds. See you next episode. We will be discussing the colors at the lace range, and after that we'll go with the original range. And finally, we'll have another episode where we will discuss all the colors and how you can match your colors with your decor, your taste, and your flair. See you!